Guess where we're going?
Another trip.
Yeah.
So we are in like the airport,
It's 2 a.m.
and so
We're gonna board in an hour.
and we have flight at 4 a.m. to El Salvador, and then we will have another flight to Guatemala City.
Yeah.
That we will spend a couple days in Antigua, and
It's a
we're excited.
little short trip,
Yeah.
3-4 day trip, because that's all the vacation time we have right now. But we'll make it work and have a good
We will
time.
make it work.
Eat some good food, see some cool things, hike.
Yeah.
Doing a hike.
Most of the time we will hike.
Yeah, most of the
70% of the time, and then the rest of the time I think we will walk and discover the old city. And I got
That's the plan,
some.
at least.
Yeah, I got some food ideas from my Guatemalan friend. Yeah, we will see. We'll try.
We'll see you later. We'll see you in the morning. Huge grocery store because we need snacks for our hike tomorrow. It's like a 2-day, like 10+ hour hike.
Yeah.
We both need 5 snacks each, at least, if not more, plus like 2 liters of water. So we got a lot of shopping to do.
Yep.
And you recommend it from this place?
La Bordenega.
Yeah. Huge grocery store. Before the end of the night, we went to a local Guatemalan restaurant where we ordered the pepián de pollo, a traditional chicken stew. The portions were huge, it was very delicious, and we highly recommend. Yeah, so it's the end of the first day. It's 9 o'clock. We're at the hotel. It's really cute. We're on the terrace of the hotel. And we're just taking it easy. After finished grocery shopping, we ate at a nice little restaurant. Now we're here home, relaxing, just drinking up all the water we can before our hike tomorrow, so we can be hydrated and ready to go. And just taking it easy, enjoying the view from the terrace of the hotel. And it's not hot. It's really nice. It's not too cold, but just calm. And yeah.
Perfect weather.
Good weather.
Yeah, we just found this like juice here. This is mandarin, this is like mango. Tastes good, real.
Yeah, real juice. After that real juice. Juice.
We're just enjoying.
More real than 100% juice. Even more real than that.
Oh, juice. Yeah, I think we will go sleep soon because tomorrow is a big day.
Long day. Yeah.
Long day. We'll start at 6 a.m.
Yeah, it's gonna be like at least 10 hours of hiking across 2 days. We didn't film it, but they prepped us. We went to a meeting like around the middle of the day, and they gave like a prep meeting for what you need to bring, how to hydrate yourself, how long the course will take, and all the things we can expect. So we just got ready for that. That's why we took grocery store, to be able to prep for that. So yeah, we're pretty excited. We want to see how we do. We think we're ready. I was just telling Fatih, the last like 18 months, and since we've been living in DC, we've walked at least 10K steps a day, but like walking 15 to 20K steps, even more sometimes, is a pretty normal day for us. So I feel like without
average over 20,000.
Yeah. So I feel like even though we didn't plan this trip that long ago, I feel like somehow we're ready for it because of just all that like natural walking and that we do every day and the prep of that. So we've come to this point where we're ready to go. I think we have the fitness level hopefully to be able to do it. And I think it's just very interesting how we're at this point where I think we're ready to go.
I believe so too. Yeah.
Yeah.
So it will be amazing. We'll pass through first like forest area, and then we'll reach out the level that we cannot see any trees. It's alpine like area, like it's very high, and then
High altitudes. Yeah.
we will base in a camp that like we will see all the entire view, and we will sleep over there.
Yeah.
It will be amazing. It will be recording.
Yeah.
And that's all for tonight, I believe.
Yeah. So we'll see you bright and early tomorrow.
He said this was
Yeah. So we are climbing now. We are into like the hiking tour to Mount. What is the name of the mountain? You should talk.
Acatenango. Yeah.
What is the other one?
Fuego is the volcano.
The Fuego is the volcano. Yeah. So we are climbing. It's really difficult. We just 45 minutes. And we will base in the camp tonight. It's really amazing, the nature, everything. It was very hot while we are climbing like now. It's really like cold. Yeah. We are so tired. She's so tired.
Yep.
Like not acknowledging that.
A little water.
Oh, it's a water thing? I think you should do this. Yeah. Oh, we need to eat some stuff too. Yeah. So small village.
Okay. How cold can it be? Like on the tip, like the worst winter. How cold?
Eating too. Thank you. Look at these people, like, they're running.
Yeah, I know.
I think we're gonna go somewhere.
I can run down. I don't mind because it's better for your orientation,
Yeah.
stability. So I better run now.
Because there's like some current going to.
So what do you think? Can you climb the, volcano too?
I don't want to carry this. But yeah. If I don't,
I think we shouldn't have it.
I've done like this. It's just literally this is slowing me down because I've hiked so much and hiked a lot of like inclines.
You can keep going.
I just I'm not used to doing like 50 pounds on my back.
Yeah. It's like you're a commando, like you're like.
And I don't have upper body strength either, so
And all this is on.
No, we're only halfway. And it's like,
I mean,
from where like we started marathon. I started 5Ks West.
see the elevation. We're on the top of the mountain. It's so foggy. And this goes back this way as well. These are like the terrace that we can take a picture with the volcano. Volcano is just like over there. But you cannot see now because the foggy. These are the cabins that we live. These are the cabins. So, such a high elevation. They're calling us for the food. Sorry, do you want to eat, honey? Honey?
You guys want to eat in the pasta?
Pasta, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, do you want some cheese on the pasta?
Yeah.
Yes, sure.
Okay.
Well, we are vegetarian.
Okay. Don't worry.
Yeah.
The fire is like the. I think you will enjoy the fire. So our food is about to be ready. Hello guys, this is our little room.
Little cabin.
Yeah, we will share with like 3 more people, and we finally made it.
Yeah.
I was trying to shot a couple of videos. I was freaking tired. Look at it.
It was so hard.
I carry this.
Yeah, I
old
carried
bag.
this bag.
I don't have too much to carry on, but this backpack itself is like almost 25 pounds, maybe more. I don't know.
Yeah.
And like with my stuff, yeah, I was about to die.
Yeah.
Now we are in the base camp.
We did like approximately, I believe,
10 hour
20,000 steps.
and 10 hour hiking.
10 hours of hiking. I don't even know like how many calories burned because I turned it off on my Apple Watch.
Yeah.
But a lot
Yeah,
of sweating. It was hot.
Drank a lot of
Only
water.
I put this on when we got up to the pretty much the top
Yeah.
of the mountain, which is now a little bit chilly, so that's why I'm
Yeah.
wearing fleece. But yeah, it was really hard, very steep, such an incline.
Yeah.
Which was the challenging part because we walk a ton,
Yeah.
but just this incline was so much. So yeah,
Yeah.
very hard. We had walking sticks.
And it became a burden for
Yeah,
us.
besides it I felt like I kind of didn't even need it. It became a burden. We'll see, like going
But maybe
down.
going down, like
Yeah,
to
we'll see
help
going
us
down if
stabilize
it's like helpful, but
our
going
walk.
up, I felt like just carrying it was like
Yeah.
like just too much. So,
We're
couple,
we're in such a high altitude, by the way, like
Yeah.
3,500 meters.
yeah,
I don't know about the feet. I'm still Turkish. You
Yeah.
can correct that.
yeah,
And we have a like the great like the Mount Fuego like volcano like view, but now it's foggy.
yeah, which we'll
But
show
we
when the
will
fog
show
clears.
the eruption and everything. We're supposed to go like Mountain Fuego and see the like
Yeah, like it's
Marco
optional if you want to walk over
yeah.
for an hour and a half one way, and then 3 hours, well, total 3 hours back to Volcano Fuego.
Yeah.
It's an additional fee to do that, but we were thinking about doing, but we're just like tired now.
Yeah, it
so-
wasn't about the money, just like we were so tired.
we were so tired.
And
so.
I think we have like 3:30 p.m., 3:30 a.m. like
yeah, we're gonna 3:30 a.m.
another like hiking.
Another hiking trip for another hour and a half up a steep incline again to get to the very top of the volcanoes.
You can hold.
What's that?
Can you hold it?
Yeah.
Sorry.
The volcano's very like top point, so we're gonna wake up at 3 a.m. to go do that, and it's very steep again. So yeah.